Hi, this is an unboxing of D-Stash for an evening stroll. I have an evening stroll that I am D-stashing. You make me an offer and pay shipping. No reasonable offer will be refused. And it doesn't matter where you live because you're paying shipping. This is Evening Stroll. This one was purchased in Joann's. This was before they went out of business. This was one my husband wants me to do, but we ended up buying a second. I don't know why we bought a second one, but we did. Whoa, I almost threw that. You know how I throw things when I'm done here. Okay. Evening Stroll is a 22 by 28 inch and is by Deborah Malcolm. And it comes with the old toolkit. It comes with a bunch of baggies. I'm going to, do I have a big baggie? No. I'm going to put these in another baggie though. So that they're not just like all over the place. Let's see, can I fit them all in there? It's quite a bit of baggies. There, I put the baggies in a baggie. There we go. So it comes with your original style tray. Well, it has the spout, and I like the ones with the spout for the smaller ones, especially for when I'm in the car and I'm diamond painting, because it makes it easy to pour them back in than the big trays. And it comes with your squishy and your pen and 2 heart wax. And this will all come in your kit. Now, the small sticker I'm going to put in the bag. The small sticker you can use for your logbook, for the bottom of the box, whatever you want to do with it. It will be yours. That's what you get in this kit. If you would like a roll of washi tape, let me know. I do have extra and I don't use it a lot, so I'd be willing to give a washi tape. But let's see what this comes with. This has not even been opened, guys. Okay. All right, this is bigger than my workspace. Oh, I haven't even seen this unboxed. This is pretty. Here's your step-by-step instructions. Here are your stickers. I will make a copy of this so that you will have it. And this is a large sticker. You can do whatever you want with it. It has 44 colors. It has 4 ABs. 4 ABs, no fairy dust. And it is, I don't know if it's round or square yet. It is round. It is round. So, if you want, oh, look at the colors. It's got very bright colors in here, guys. Brighter than I thought. I don't have a lot of special drills and rounds, but I do have some. And they're from Diamond Dots. I can do white ABs if you would like some ABs. Wow, these are pretty colors. All right, we're going to try to do this without messing it up. Okay. We want to go here. There we go. So there's 3 bags of 814. Actually, you can't see it. 3 bags of 814, 1 of 310. 1, 2, 3 of 310. Sorry about that. So there's quite a bit of, there's a few repeats of colors. So, oh, this is pretty. Look at these colors. Whoever gets this, we should do an event for evening stroll, an evening stroll. And I know there was one that came in the mystery box by Deborah Malcolm as well. We could do an event. Just a paint along, no prizes. Here's an AB, 134. And there's another AB right there. And then I see another one. The yellow right here. Wow. Pretty colors. Oh, look at that blue. I love this red, 606. I love it. These are pretty, pretty colors, guys. Look at the purples. This is going to be much brighter than this looks. I got it back in the bag. I got it back in the bag. Oh my goodness. These are so nice. I am not going to roll it back up because I'm going to make a copy of that for you, but I'm going to show you the canvas. (22 by 28 or 28 by 22). That's going to be pretty. And it's not huge. It's not huge. It's about a medium size. I think 22 by 28 is the best size. I really like this size. Oh, you know what fell out of the kit? The toolkit? A multi-placer. I'll make sure that gets back in there as well. So we're looking at 44 colors with 4 ABs. Look, oh, these trees. They've got green. They're really pretty, and I know this is just gonna pop. The sun It's gonna pop. So it is ready for the drill count, which is a good amount. 50,343 drills. Guys, this you can probably do in 3 weeks. If this is your only whip, that's a joke, isn't it? Your only whip? That's not going to happen, right? Who only does one whip? Not me. So let me know in the comments. Email me, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com with your offer plus shipping, and this can be yours if the price is right. Love it. Love it. Oh, and the baby elephant. They're going to come out so nice. I can't wait. I mean, this is pretty. I'm going to do mine too. So whoever buys this, let me know. Maybe we'll do an event together. A paint along, not an event. A paint along. A paint along, there's no prizes. An event, there is. All right, guys. I'm Nancy. I'm Pampered with Diamonds. And I'm out of here. Have a wonderful day and be kind.